Hey guys, Joshua Peterson, Peterson Electric. Second part of this video for the generator. Sorry it's running, but I want to show you what's going on here. I had an issue with this bandsaw popping the GFCI. So it may be because it's increasing on the ground side that we're popping that GFCI and it's sensing it. There's not much I can do other than take it out and don't have it, but the code says I have to have it in an unfinished area, of course. So anyways, we're going to go back to what we were trying to do here, show you what that ground is increasing on a machine that's running twice the amount of ampacity. Okay, right now we're at 43 like we were before. We increased to 39. So it is increasing. So as our voltage is traveling, which I call pressure or your potential, and then the current kicks on and is being used through that motor, our voltage, you do have to consider watching what your volt drop is. Typically it's 3% on a branch circuit per 210.19. But as your voltage is going to go down, your current is going to increase, okay? So if we have 6 amps running here and 12 amps running here, of course that's going to trade off basically how you're doing that. So in this scenario, we're going to have a 3,500 watt generator, not a 1,500, in order just to run one machine. If they're trying to run all three of them, they would probably have to have 3 machines, hence why I ran a black, red, and blue, and you would come in with 3 SO cords to the bottom of this box and maybe extend it or put a bigger combiner box. But in a nutshell, the ground conductor, the grounded conductor or grounding, which is going to be typically tied at your first point of disconnect. Really the disconnect is on the generator down below. I want to show one more third video when I'm done here just to see what would happen to the ground if I bonded between the neutral and the grounded conductor, which technically in the code is going to be called a jumper. And that's going to be in 250, 53, 52, and 50. It's talking about all of our grounding in here. So let's give that a shot. We'll try in a third video and I'll get back to you.